Initiating simulation 035. Don't open your eyes. It happens at 3 a.m. Your eyes open. You are awake, but your body is dead weight. You can't lift a finger. You can't scream. This is sleep paralysis. Your brain has woken up, but your body is still in REM atonia, the chemical lock that keeps you from acting out your dreams. Panic sets in. Your amygdala fires the fear signal, and then you see him, standing in the corner, the Hat Man. It isn't just you. Across history, we all see the same monsters. In Japan, it is a ghost binding you in metal. In Europe, it is an old hag sitting on your chest. But in the modern world, millions of people report seeing a tall shadow figure in a fedora. He doesn't speak. He just watches. Why do we all hallucinate the same man? Jungian psychology says he is an archetype, a shadow of the collective unconscious. Neurology says it's a glitch. Your parietal lobe is trying to map your body position, but failing. To explain the confusion, it projects a threatening intruder. It is a waking nightmare. Your brain is rendering a horror movie, and you are trapped in the front row. Then, the chemical lock breaks. You can move. The monster is gone. Don't sleep on your back. End log.